guys, we are playing easy to hard obby. Like and sub. So we get to 100k. We are on 11 subscribers. Ay, 11 tuloy. We are on 12 subscribers, guys. Help us to reach 50. And we're going to stream. Like and sub, guys. Because guys, I only have 12 subscribers. Bruh. This ugly guy. Cha 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 cha. Do not click the sand or you will be terrorized. Did you hear that? All of my use that sound and one a phone cooling station and you will get 2,000 views and 15 likes or something else like. Say Miss Sunday. Miss Sunday from Wednesday. Do you know the Wednesday show? Is there Monday or Tuesday or Thursday or Friday? Is this effortless? La 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 la. Rate my feet 1 to 10, guys. If you want my drip, just putting the codes in games. The one you just need to play a game free UGC and you need to find it. Want my drip. Like and subscribe and if we get 10 likes, I will show the codes. I will say how to get it. The yellow hair, you need the yellow hair. If you get 10 likes. I mean, if you get 10 likes. If you're already a subscriber, I'm already going to tell you. This is for everyone. If you want actually my drip, if you don't want it, it's okay. La 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 la. You can do it at anybody you want. Even if you want a mini plush, that still can work. Do you know how I know how to wall hop is you need 3 fingers. We got 10. With these fingers. This. We got with That would be super easy. That will be effortless. Bro, you're laggy. La la la. La la la. Almost fell. Siwa yo ya. When you get to level 40, this maze is not a maze. Eee! Huh? 2 dreams. Do you see that? It's that natural disaster. And guys, wait a minute. Guys, this is where my fire outfit. First, you need a square and the this hair, and the skin. You go like count to 1, 2, like to. If you start here and there, that's the right color. Okay, we're going to make it. First, you need the hair. First, this, the skin, and this stuff, and then we are on clothing. You need this, this, and then this, and we are on accessory pass. First, you need this. And then this. And then this. And this. Fit. And how to get it? First, you need to search. Island of move. And this. No numbers. No small letters. Only big letters. Okay, we will make a part 2 for it. And this is the end of the video. Bye-bye, guys. It's just going to be a short. Yeah.